Today we will read the second chapter of class 6. Uncle Poser Hangs the Picture, written by Jerome K. Jerome. He also wrote Three Men in a Boat. It is a novel, and this chapter is simply a part of this novel. It means the whole chapter is a single or separate part of a novel, Three Men in a Boat. This novel was included in the syllabus of class 9 2 years ago, but now it has been excluded from the syllabus of class 9. But we have to read some parts, we may call the small part of the novel in this chapter. Okay, before the start of the chapter, let us have the word stock of this chapter. First, humorous. Humorous means funny. Hue and cry, lot of noise. It means condition of confusion. Nothing is clear. What will happen next? Okay. Next is worry. Worry means trouble. It means he is in worry. It means he is in trouble. Next, shouted, cried, yelled. When we cry very loudly, that is called shouted. Hey! If we call loudly, that is shouting. Now, step ladder. Step ladder is a small stairs, or you may call a ladder. Like this way, and this has very small gap. That's why it is called ladder, not stairs. Okay. Now see, hope means moved. Another go, it means another chance, another try, another attempt. Okay. No avail, it means no use, futile, useless. Next one is smashed, hit forcefully. He smashed his head. He hit his head. Smash means forcefully. First means whispering. It means making a low sound. When we talk about someone other before or behind him, we talk in a first way. First way is whispering, making low sound. Okay. Now we will read the chapter line by line. Before start of this chapter, I request to all of you, please take your book and go through line by line. I am reading. Okay, and if you have any problem, then you may ask through the comment section, and in the last during the reading I will try my best to speak 80% in English and 20% in Hindi, so that you could understand very well. Okay, let's start the chapter. This is the chapter number 2. Uncle Poser Hangs the Picture. See, Uncle Poser Hangs a Picture. Uncle Poser Hangs a Picture is a humorous story. Humorous story means funny story. Funny story. This story has been adapted. Adapted means taken from. Adapted means taken from Three Men in a Boat. I have already explained. This writer has also written Three Men in a Boat, and this chapter is part of that novel. Okay, Three Men in a Boat. Written by Jerome K. Jerome, Uncle Poser is a funny character in the story. It means Uncle Poser is a funny character. There is always a hue and cry whenever he undertakes a job at home. जब वो कोई काम करता है तो जरूर कोई ना कोई हौच पौच की स्थिति बना देता है. छोटा सा काम, तिल का काम तार बनाता है. तिल को मतलब छोटा सा काम को पहाड़ बनाता है, बड़ा बनाता है. He makes everyone busy at home doing that particular job. This humorous incident occurs when he decides to hang a picture. और ये छोटा सा काम, एक पिक्चर टांगना है, और पूरे घर के लोगों को, मेंबर्स को बिजी कर देता है. तुम ये लाओ, तुम वो लाओ. मतलब इट मेक्स अ टोटली ह्यूमरस commotion conditions. It means not clear. Okay. Now let's start the chapter. Read and enjoy the story. Whenever Uncle Poser undertook a job at home, there was a lot of commotion. It means whenever he wants to do something, it means there will be a condition of ups and down. Nothing would be clear. Next one. One day a picture came from the frame makers. One day a picture came from the frame maker. Frame maker means the frame of a picture. It means the rounded parts that hang a stick around the picture. It was in the dining room waiting to be put on one of the walls. Aunt Poser asked, who is going to hang the picture? एक दिन एक फ्रेम आता है और बेड पे रखा रहता है. आंटी पूछती है कौन इसे हैंग करेगा. Oh, you leave that to me, said Uncle Poser. None of you should worry about that. I will put it up. It means when this matter raised by the Auntie Poser, then the Uncle Poser said, okay, just take care. I am here. I will put it on the wall. Okay? And then he began. It means now his drama, his funny way of doing the work starts now. He sent the girl out for 6 penny worth of nails, and then one of the boys after her to tell her what size to get. It means he made girls to brings the nail, and after that he sent another boy to tell the size of the nail. It means, now will you go and get my hammer? He shouted, and he said other person, please bring the hammer. Tom, you bring me the rule. Rule means it means you may call the measuring for the we use ruler in geometry box. That is to measure the distances. Okay. I shall want the step ladder, and I better have the kitchen chair too. It means he said I need a step ladder and kitchen chair also. Tim, you run round to Mr. Goggles and borrow his spirit level. Spirit level is instruments to use to insert the nail in the wall. Okay. And don't you go, Maria, because I shall want somebody to hold the light. It means he said, Maria, be here and hold the light. When the girl comes back, she must go out again for a bit of picture code. It means when the girls brought the light, then he should go for a string to hang the picture again. Okay? And Tom, where is Tom? And Tom कहाँ है? मरियम तुम ये लाओ, टीम तुम ये लाओ, टॉम तुम वो लाओ, मरियम तुम ये लाओ. ये सब काम सबको बांटने के बाद देखते हैं. You come here. I want you to hand me up the picture. Come here, Maria, and hang up the picture. Give me the picture. I have to hang on the wall. And then he lifted the picture and dropped it. It came out of the frame. He tried to save the glass and cut himself. It means when he took the picture and tried to hang, at that time he left the picture and it dropped. And to save the glass and cut himself. He saved the glass being broken and cut himself. Okay. Then he hoped. Hope means moved around the room looking for his handkerchief. After cutting himself, he is looking for handkerchief. अपना हाथ कट गया और खोज रहा. He could not find it because it was in the pocket of the coat he had taken off. But the problem was he did not know where he had put the coat. All the house had to stop looking for his tools and start looking for his coat. While they were doing so, he realized them. It means after cutting his himself, he is searching for handkerchief. and he was sitting on it and asking to everyone, please find out my handkerchief, find out my handkerchief. And this was the actual problem with the uncle Poser. उनके साथ यही प्रॉब्लम थी, करते कुछ और, एक काम को, छोटी सी तिल के काम को तार बना, छोटी से काम को बड़ा बना, जिसका कोई फायदा नहीं। ओके, डज नॉट एनीवन इन द हाउस नो वेयर माई कोट इज, और कोई नहीं जानते हो कि मेरा कोट कहाँ है। आई नेवर केम अक्रॉस सच अ सीट इन ऑल माई लाइफ, अपॉन माई वर्ड आई डिडंट। It means never it happens with me. Who is saying? Uncle Poser. That no one is, a number of people in my house, and they cannot find a simple coat. That was the actual problem. Okay, 6 of you, and you can't find a coat that I took off not 5 minutes ago. Well, of all the. Then he got up and found that he had been sitting on it. It means I have already told you that he was sitting on it and told everybody to find out the handkerchief, how they can find. You can give up, he called out. I have found it myself, might just as well ask the cat to find anything as expect people to find it. It means कि जैसे कैट को कहा जाता है कि ये सर्च करो, तुरंत सर्च करके लाता है, वैसे ही तुम लोग इतने लोग हो और सर्च नहीं कर पाते, तुम छोड़ दो, मैं खुद कर लूंगा, जबकि वो खुद उस पे बैठा हुआ था। ऐसी थी कैरेक्टर अंकल पोजर। ऑलरेडी ही इज अ फनी कैरेक्टर। नेक्स्ट वन, and when half an hour had been spent in trying up his finger, and a new glass had been brought, as well as the tools, the ladder, the chair, and the torch, he had another go. It means another chance. And when half an hour had been spent in trying up his finger, it means when he was serving himself and finding for handkerchief, it took half an hour. And after that, everything has been arranged to hang the picture again. Another go means again. The whole family, including the girl and the chairwoman, stood round in a semicircle, ready to help. It means all the people gathered around the Uncle Poser to help him. Whatever he required, whatever he demands, everyone is there to give it. Okay. 2 people had to hold the chair. It means 2 people will hold the chair. A third helped him on it and hold him there. And a fourth handed him a nail, and a fifth passed him up the frame. It means the simple work takes the 5, engage the 5 person. Okay. He took hold of the nail and dropped it. Nail liya aur gira diya. There he said in an injured tone, now the nails fall. अब बोले, अब देखो, nail गिर गया. Injured tone means being sad. And we all had to go down on our knees and hunt for it. It means now we all have to find it out. Now we all have to search it. While he stood on the chair and complained, stood on the chair as it figures, explain the scene. I want to know, he said, if I am to be kept here all evening. The nail was found at last, but that time he had lost the hammer. It means, I want to know, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, he said, if I am to be kept here all the evening, क्या मुझे पूरी शाम यहीं रहना होगा? एक छोटा सा काम तुम लोगों से, नेल खोजकर जल्दी लाओ। और जब नेल मिला, उसका हैमर कहाँ रख दिया पता नहीं। Where is the hammer? हैमर कहाँ है? What did I do with the hammer? Great heavens, 7 of you just hanging around there, and you don't know what I did with the hammer. He is saying to all the 7 persons, you all the 7s are gathering here, but you don't know where I have kept the hammer. हमने hammer कहाँ रख दिया, तुम्हें से किसी को कोई पता नहीं. We find the hammer for him, but by day he had lost sight of the mark he had made on the wall where the nail was to go in. Each of us tried to help him, but no avail. It means when he dropped the nail, he lost the hammer. When he found the hammer, then he lost the point where he has to fix the nail. This was the actual problem with the uncle Poser. यही समस्या थी. वो एक काम किए तो दूसरा भूल गए, दूसरा किए तो तीसरा भूल गए. He used a bit of a string trying to reach a point beyond what was possible for him to reach. और वो स्ट्रिंग लेकर लेंथ मेजर कर रहे हैं कि हम कहाँ थे. अच्छा इसमें थे, यहाँ. अच्छा इतना, अच्छा ठीक यहाँ थे. इस टाइप का रिएक्शन उनका था. He used a bit of strings trying to reach a point beyond what was possible for him to reach. The string slipped and down he slid on the piano, a really fine music effect being produced by the suddenness with which his head and body struck all the notes at the same time. While he was busy in measuring the distance, he suddenly fell on the piano, and at the same time number of buttons has been pressed. That's why a fine music had been produced. Fine music had been produced. एक साथ वो गिरे, चूंकि सभी बटनों पर वो गिरे थे, इसलिए एक नया तरह का अच्छा तरीका आवाज प्रोड्यूस हो. After almost an hour, Uncle Poser got the spot fixed again. It means after 1 hour, he decided, oh, this was the actual spot where I have to fix the nail. It means find the real spot. Okay. He put the point of the nail on it with his left hand and took the hammer in his right hand. It means this condition. This condition. Okay. This was the condition and this is the hammer. Okay. See. Next. With left hand and took the hammer in his right hand, and with the first blow he smashed his thumb and dropped the hammer on somebody's stone. पहली बार उन्होंने ऐसे मारा जोर से और वो गिर गया और हैमर जाकर किसी के पैर पे लग गया. टो मीन्स अंगूठा पे. ओके. अब देखते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Aunt Maria heaved a sigh and said, और आंटी मारिया जो थी आह भर, अब इसको नहीं बोलेंगे, माफ कर दो, तुमको बोलकर हमने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर ली. Such type of feeling came in the mind of Aunt Maria, and what he said, next time I want to be told when Uncle Poser is going to drive a nail into the wall. It means next time, अगली बार, I want to be told, मैं कहना चाहूंगा when the Uncle Poser is going to drive a nail into the wall. और मैं कहने से पहले कब करेंगे ये बताइए. I will go and spend a week with my mother while it is being done. और आंटी मारिया बोल रही कि तुम सब हमको ये बात बता देना कि ये जा रहे हैं हैंग करने, मैं 1 सप्ताह के लिए अपनी मम्मी के घर चली जाऊंगी. It means she doesn't like the such type of work being done by the Uncle Poser, because this simple work takes a longer time if it is done by the Uncle Poser. Simply he is irritated, she becomes irritated. Okay. Oh, next page 12. See. Oh, you woman, तुम और You make such a fuss over everything. तुम तो हर कुछ में कुछ न कुछ बोलोगे ही, तुम्हारी आदत है. This was the reaction of Uncle Poser when Aunt Poser heaved a sigh. When he said, Uncle Poser said, I like doing a little job like this. And Uncle Poser said, I like to hang the picture or another little job that takes the less time. That is my favorite job. I would like to do it. Okay. About the midnight, it means approx 11 p.m. plus and between 12. Midnight, the picture was up. Very crooked and insecure. Crooked means not in good position. Insecure means not too tight. It may fall anytime. Okay, insecure. And everybody very tired and miserable except Uncle Poser. The 7 person in the house was feeling tired after having a lot of work throughout the day due to hanging the picture and whatever the suggestions forwarded by Uncle Poser. And Uncle Poser, the single person, is feeling relaxed. Oh, now it has been done. He thinks that he had done the great job. There you are, he said, stepping heavily off the chair onto the charwoman's corns. It means after having the words from the Aunt Maria and having a lot of troubles, finally at the midnight, he take a rest and he feel relaxed. Oh, finally now it has been done. Okay. Charwoman's corns and surveying the maze he had made with the bride. And after washing it, oh, I have hanged it. Oh, now okay, it's okay. I have done it. This is the features of a humorous character. It means funny character. Now, why some people would have paid a man to do a little things like that? Why some people would have paid a man to do a little things like that? क्यों कोई आदमी ऐसे आदमी को छोटा सा काम के लिए इतना पैसा देगा, इतनी वैल्यू देगा, इतनी इज्जत देगा? Okay, with this chapter has been ended and it has all been written, adapted from 3 Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Okay, students, this chapter now ends, but what we have learned from this chapter? We have learned we should do any work with great care. We should do any work with great care. It means we should take care whatever and do. Don't take extra time. Don't take extra time. Okay. If you will, or if I will get the extra time for doing the, if I take 3 hours to teach a single page, that is enough. 30 minutes is enough for that. And if I am taking 3 hours, it will be a boring work for others, and it will be tasteless. Okay. And so, if you want to have a taste of your work, then you must not forget to take care of others. And you must have to do with the limit of the time period. Okay? अगर हम किसी काम को समय पर करते हैं, मान लीजिए आधा घंटा के काम को हम 2 घंटा में करते हैं, तो वो चीज बोरिंग हो जाती है. आधा घंटा का काम को आधा घंटा में ही होना चाहिए, then it will be very, very interesting and tasteful. Okay, my dear students, till then, take care and read the chapter carefully. Read the chapter carefully and please subscribe my channel so that you will get all the notification on the time. Take care.